Fine, but I will sign the treaty only if you give me your crown jewels. They look pretty, me want.
Please, Holy Emperor and Admiral Seabreeze, I need my regala as a royal attire. I cannot just give them away. What are my ponies supposed to think of me then?
Stupid pony! You always do
Oh
as I say,
no,
I'll feel my
please
bone
stop.
crashing
Twilight,
away.
get the elements, quick!
Seriously? Is there any way you can defend yourself?
What? You won't give me the rule over Equestria? Do you want me to squish you with my pinky?
Please, Lord Torch, we can solve this in a diplomatic way. There's no need for violence. Pretty, please.
And when I'm done squashing you, I will squish every pony in Equestria, especially the children. On second thought. On second thought.
Did I say fart there? Sounds like I'm saying fart.